Hi guys, so today we're going to Takoyaki. Like I promise you.
Like Takoyaki, because the other night we were there and I said, we're going to take Asianna back here to sample the Takoyaki.
Yeah.
And now we're going to go check it out.
And Dad is gonna take a video with us.
We got a break in the rain, so we can go.
Mommy say hi.
Hi. Hello.
On we go.
Hello.
Take a video, Daddy.
Oh, I'm not taking it from this anymore. We have all this video before. Hey. Where are we going? Huh?
Japanese food?
Japanese.
Or Korean?
I'm getting a lot of good shots of the back of my wife and the back of my daughter's head. Quit walking so fast.
Here now at the Pasalubong Center. Mommy, Dad is gonna smoke, so I take a video. I'm excited for the takoyaki. Puring, 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 king, king. Puring, king, 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 king. Okay. Excited.
Milk tea takoyaki. Coming in for the takoyaki test to see what they think, what Asianna thinks about this takoyaki here. Takoyaki yum. We were here before, the other night. Are they open already today? Yeah, they're open. So let's take a video of this.
Too much.
That's too much. This is more than the cost of takoyaki at the buklod.
Yeah.
Huh? 3 pieces for 100.
3 pieces for 100.
4 balls.
4 balls, 85.
And this is the
Cheesy seafood. What other ones they got?
65.
Triple cheese. So which one do you want, Asianna?
Take this one.
65?
Yeah.
Shrimp? Octopus and cheese.
Octopus, shrimp, squid, or cheese. Which flavor do you want? Octopus, shrimp. Shrimp? Yeah.
Are you sure? Shrimp?
Yeah.
Okay, shrimp it is.
What shrimp?
Asianna is going to try the shrimp takoyaki here. Now, this is a little bit more than the one in buklod, so we're hoping it's a lot better. Right there. 65 pesos for 4 balls of either octopus, shrimp, squid, or cheese. Yeehaw! All right, kiddo.
Takoyaki ate na shrimp flavor. 4 na piraso shrimp flavor.
Buklod pie. Oh, buko pie, buklod pie. Tarts and pasalubong. On our walking tour this time to sample. I don't see.
Take a video over there. Let's.
Where?
There at the light.
Yeah, let's go see what's over here. This place is for rent, this spot here. If you're interested in starting your own little business. The rain is wet. Oh my. Dark clouds on the horizon. Oh, they got an oversized little garden area down here, it looks like. We don't know who owns this, but we don't want to drop the phone. Because it'd be hard to retrieve. Just a big open lot. Probably not being used too wisely right now, but who knows. So this is a nice little area, huh, Asianna?
Good.
Yeah, pretty cool. I don't see a spot to sit down and eat. We'll figure that out later, right?
Gusto mo lang pong tumingin, okay lang po kay Kuya makabili. Siyempre mo siya tignan. T-shirts.
Huh? T-shirts?
Mga galing Pierre.
Too small.
Opo.
Too small. This is like
Opo.
extra large.
Gusto nyo po, pakita ko lang. Okay lang po kahit di kayo makabili.
Oh, but we have no money right now until the end of the month. Until the first of next month.
Wag na Kuya.
Wala na para. Sorry po.
How's your voice?
Huh? All right. We'll see you next time. What was you saying? Huh?
The white boy said Arab. They do like song. It's Arab.
Oh.
Rap music.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they do? Oh, okay.
Singing for you.
They want to be,
Because they want to buy yours.
they want us to buy a t-shirt, yeah. Well, you can't blame them for trying, right? I'm going to take a look over here. This is all the pasalubong that the other day I wasn't really able to get much of a video because it was nighttime, so as you can see, Filipino candies, some good looking coffee it looks like there. I don't know, green tea, or ginseng tea. Peanut brittle, oh wow. Peanut brittle, that looks good. Peanut adobo. Roasted cashews, all the fancy stuff you might want to get for your loved ones. Including buko pie. And tarts. Langga tarts. And apple pie. It's the only place in the Philippines I've ever seen apple pie. That's good. You love apple pie. Okay, so I'll shut this short right now and come back with a review of the takoyaki. The king's table. Asianna's been waiting for this for a couple days because the rain was delaying our coming down.
4 days.
4 days.
4 days now?
Yeah.
She did the work and then
Finally came through, huh?
had to wait 4 days to get results. So
Now we're here like that.
you want to walk down there?
Yeah, we'll get something to...
Ow, my broken finger. My daughter's cruel to me.
I'm strong.
You're strong, yeah.
Yeah, wanna walk going there to save more?
Wanna walk there?
No, not right now. Let's finish this first. Let's see what the rain's doing.
So we're going to get an ice cream after Takoyaki.
You got spoiled.
Oh no, it's raining.
Oh no. It's raining hard now.
You got a too long one?
No.
Huh?
Yes, you do. Look, you touch your nose.
Too long one?
Burger.
You know how? Ngọt. Kulangot.
Too long one?
Don't say it. We're gonna eat.
Yeah.
Asian's gonna eat.
Yes, we're gonna eat. What if the kulang trap and the Ay, naku.
There it is. Thank you. Salamat.
Salamat po.
Ganda ng lalagyan.
Nabayaran mo na?
Hindi pa.
The moment of truth.
Bigay ko?
Oh. Yeah, we forgot to pay,
The
didn't
moment of truth.
Ay, ba naman ang right?
Walang barya.
Nahuwal ba yan?
Wala.
65 lang po.
we? Oh, no.
Pagka sana sa 7-Eleven,
No change?
yaya naman dito.
No change
Wala
for that?
rin. Yan
No
lang ang dala ko,
change,
be.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Why didn't we stop and get
Looks
change?
good.
Good luck.
Kita.
Now, what flavor is this?
Shrimp. Take
Shrimp.
Take a picture. See?
Did you get a picture?
Now, yeah.
The
Now?
revelation. Oh, malaki.
The
Moment of truth.
the moment of truth.
The moment of truth.
Is it worth the extra
Smell like shrimp.
15 pesos?
It's hot. Wait a minute.
It's hot. Poor Ate's got to go out and get change for a thousand.
How is it?
Good.
Is it good? Can I get one?
Is it worth the extra 15 pesos?
Oh yeah.
It's
It's a little
big.
big too. Compared.
Look, it's big.
And cheesy?
Ew, your hair. She's eating her hair.
By daddy, just
Wanna
take a
try it?
video. I'm just
I'm
No,
Daddy,
you
try
guys
it.
go ahead. I'm just here to watch.
Okay.
No more for me.
Whoa.
It's your
No,
turn.
no, I don't want.
Why?
Okay, I'll take a taste. A small
It's really
taste.
fishy.
Tastes really fishy.
Yeah.
Well, why do I want that?
Try it.
How do you get just a piece? Ah. No.
Use hers. Use.
I
What do
really
you do with it?
You like a
Hello, dito ako.
Oh. I wasn't going to stick that whole thing in my mouth. Because I knew I wouldn't really like it, so.
Let it go.
All right, folks, the verdict is in. Asianna, you approve? 100% approval?
Here, try
Yeah.
it now.
Okay, folks.
Try it.
try it mo.
No, I'm not trying it.
Nakapagpapalit pa, ha?
That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching.
Just like
Subscribe.
and click the notification bell.
Until next time, goodbye. Have a
Bye.
nice, beautiful day. Exciting. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care. Next time.